Johto, Johnny.
Johto Robert.
Are the names, and Pokemon is the
Gay.
Johto Lee. Please consider leaving a like, comment, and
subscribe to Johto Johnny's channel.
And if you do subscribe,
hit the notification bell so you're always notified for the next video.
Yes. Nobody's seen it yet. Sammy, thank you. You're amazing for making that. A loyal Johto Elite member. Made me something for Christmas. I'm so excited, so happy that somebody would do that for me. Again, anybody ever wants to send me anything, just message me on Facebook or on the channel. You could email me. I'll give you my info. You could send some stuff. All right, so that's some codes for you. Because these are a lot of packs. Johto Robert wanted to show the Johto Elite. I was going to do them as shorts. But Johto Robert's like, Uncle Johto Johnny, can we do a video? I was like, all right. So we got a Rebel Clash pack. We got 3 Vivid Voltage packs. 2 Sword and Shields. Crimson Invasion, Burning Shadows, and Evolutions. So let's open Crimson. So the 3 Vivid are mine. Right, Robert?
Yes.
And then the rest are yours. And Robert's very excited for Goldeen, possibly. So we're going to open Crimson first.
I can't believe we got like a lot back.
And that was a question that Dard got right. You remember me telling you in that live?
Yeah, today,
I asked Dard, Uncle Dard there.
when we pulled...
I said, Dard, what card does Johto Robert go crazy about besides the Charizard? And he said it. He's like, Goldeen taking a crap.
Can I do something about... So...
Speaking of Dard, hold on one second, Johto Robert.
Okay.
Let's see if we pull that Rainbow Garrett. Oh my goodness.
Right off the bat.
Olivia. Beautiful.
That's inappropriate. He's wearing a bikini.
That's inappropriate.
Can
Anybody that likes the anime stuff, there you go. An inappropriate lady.
Can I get back to what I say?
Yes, you get back.
So, over today we pulled, we did...
Don't say what we, no. We don't know when this will be posted, so
Okay.
you don't ever want to give away what we pulled.
Okay. This is a secret.
Yes, top secret. Even though they probably saw it before this, but
yeah, so it's...
they'll know what you were talking about. Well, a few people will that enjoy watching. Heliolisk, Burning Scarf, Indeedee, Applin, Hatena, Aracuda, Galarian Meowth, Surskit, Charjabug. This is ridiculous. Just stop. This is crazy.
These packs are error mode again. I think. Okay.
No, they're not errors. They're just ridiculous pulls.
What's going on?
Cop Barrage of VMAX.
Were they rushing to do
2 for 2? Oh, wow.
Were they rushing to do a print run?
No. Oh, I got to give these. These are your packs. I'm sorry. Sorry about the hairy arm, everyone.
That's okay.
Put those away in your...
It's not...
All right, here's Uncle Johto Johnny's packs. His 3 Vivid Voltage that Johto Robert calls Johto Man gave me. Johto Lee, I hope you all had a great Merry Christmas. I tried reaching out to you, doing a post. I did I thought was a very nice, festive, feel-good type of video with me, Johto Robert, and Johto Bella. We sang. We sang what Rudolph, Grandma got, oh, beautiful Jolteon. Sang Grandma got ran over by a reindeer. Merry Christmas. Yeah, it was a great time. So hopefully you guys watched it, enjoyed it. Something a little different. But it was a blast. Absolute blast. Love spending time with the family. Matang, Girafarig, Alistair, Woobat, Aracuda, Seedot, Fanfi, Shuppet, Winden Stadium, and Terracon, or Terracoin, or Terrakion, however you want to pronounce it.
I thought I saw that black.
Maybe this time we want to see a rainbow. We don't want to see black.
Oh.
It's not Champion's Path. We want that rainbow Pikachu.
Because we're done with Champion's Path now.
Hopefully.
Okay.
Energy. Kakuna. Moo Moo Cheese. Sableye. Clefairy. Whalmer. Dynamo. Execute. Shadow. Execute. And Electros.
Uh-oh.
So Vivid was rough. Well, so far, Crimson Invasion and Rebel Clash is what really held us together here. So now we got 2 Sword and Shield base. Johto Robert pulls that gold Zacian. I don't know, Johto Elite. Might have to hand it over to Uncle Johto Johnny.
Yeah, you're right.
All right, here we go. If anybody knows, be ready. If you see the Goldeen, be ready for excitement beyond measure. Galarian Zigzagoon, Munna, Snom, Grookey, Shelter, Drizzle, and Sandaconda. Nobody knows what I'm talking about. Let's hope we pull it. All right, Johto Robert?
Yeah, so let's not say it or else we won't get it, okay? Let's not say it.
Looks like they're both duds, but hey, it happens. Energy, Drizzle, Galarian Stunfisk, Pokemon Center Lady, Choodle, Rhyhorn, Rookidee. Oh, I thought that was a Krabby. Grookey, Grookey again, and Whimsicott. 2 packs left, Johto Robert.
That's good.
Could you pull that rainbow rare Charizard?
No.
Whoa, you pull that. We're going to be getting crazy here.
Yeah.
All right, Burning Shadows. I hope I said Burning Shadows. If I said Champion's Path, I apologize, but Energy, Rotom Dex, Potown, Weakness Policy, Krogunk, Togedemaru, Wimpod, Alolan Vulpix, Meowth, Riolu, Shiinotic. I've seen that card so many times. Oh, Joe Robert, I'm sorry. I'm taking your
Sorry.
taking your packs here.
That's okay.
There you go. All right, watch your head, bud. I don't want you hitting the stand. Brief couple seconds, Johto. There you go. All right, we got evolutions. We got a chance to pull many Charizards.
Charizard.
Yes.
They belong in my hands.
Yes, they do.
They belong in my Lord. The Lord.
Somewhat of a nostalgic trip for anyone who was never able to open up the original base set. Brock's Grit. Gonna take her a little time here. Haunter. Revive. Caterpie. Drowsy. Magikarp. Electabuzz. Rattata. Doduo. What did we get?
A Zard. It's... No.
It looks like... Oh! Nice! Holographic Nidoking. Let's sleeve that up for Johto Robert. Johto Robert got the pulls today, everybody. Wow. Talk about some sweet. That is a horrible cut card, but that's most evolutions. So you got a Nidoking, you got a Copperage, a VMAX, and Olivia. Wow. Inappropriate. There we go. All right. Well, here's your pack, Johto Robert.
Good.
And the safe place. Johto Johnny.
Johto Robert.
Are the names, and Pokemon is the...
Yay!
Johto Elite, please consider leaving a like, comment, and
Subscribe to Joe Johnny's channel.
and if you do subscribe, hit that
Notification bell. So you're always notified for the next video.
very nice, Johto Robert. Thank you, buddy. Everybody, have a great day. And it's always a great day opening Pokemon cards. See you very soon.